Morning. My topic is on ocular morbidity in HIV patients in relation to the CD4 count and highly active antiretroviral therapy. I have no financial interest.
Continue. I think you had the connectivity.
Timer to continue also.
Yes.
We are running shortage of time.
Yeah.
Ocular manifestation of HIV infection more than 20 years ago is described by the MacLeod. It is a benign feature of HIV disease which is principally seen in patients with symptomatic disease or significantly reduced CD4 cell count. And etiology is poorly understood. It is mainly suggested due to the circulating immunocomplexes or to direct infection of the retina by HIV virus. 70 to 80% of the HIV infected patients have been treated for HIV associated retinopathy, which appear to be decreased with the development of heart therapy, and prevalence of blindness in these cases was seen 5 to 25%. My main objective was to determine the patterns of ocular manifestation and their correlation with CD4 T cell count and heart treatment, and to estimate the prevalence of ocular manifestations in HIV infected individuals. Methodology was it's a hospital-based cross-sectional study, and source of the study patients were taken from OPD undergoing visual acuity assessment and slit lamp and fundoscopy examination. Study period was from June 2018 to May 2019. Sample size was 200 HIV infected patients. We included HIV positive subjects registered at ART center and referred to the ophthalmologist in peripheral center. Subjects are presenting to the ophthalmology OPD directly, and HIV positive subjects of all ages. And we excluded patients with coexisting illness like diabetes mellitus and hypertension. Methodology collection of data was from detailed demographic data of HIV infected individuals and treatment history with heart therapy, and recent CD4 T cell counts were taken, and detailed ocular examination was done. And results were out of 200 HIV infected individuals, 46% had HIV related ocular manifestations. And in coming to gender distribution, males were affected than females, like 54%. In out of 200 patients, 56% were on heart treatment, and 44% were not on any treatment. In age distribution, it mainly affected from the 32 to 60 years. In that 40 to 49 years age were more affected. In vision was mainly in recording, it was shown that vision was more than 6/60. In CD4 cells count in ocular manifestations were having 48% in ocular manifested HIV patients. In the pie diagram showing that HIV microangiopathy was the most commonest ocular manifestation seen in those 200 HIV patients. An image showing that microvasculopathy and blood and thunder appearance in superior quadrant of the fundus is the cytomegalovirus retinitis feature. Discussion: ocular lesions attributed to the HIV are seen in up to 2/3 of the estimated patient in HIV positive population in India, and HIV microvasculopathy is considered to be the commonest posterior segment HIV manifestation and is seen in up to 70% of the HIV patients. And cytomegalovirus retinitis is the commonest ocular opportunistic infection seen in India, even in the heart treatment. Cytomegalovirus retinitis is thought to be one of the most commonest vision-threatening posterior segment manifestation of the HIV. Prevalence of the ocular manifestation is lower than that what is reported in previous study, but still it is reasonably high. Study concluded that CD4 cell count is important predictor of the ocular morbidity in HIV positive individuals, and prevalence of the ocular manifestation in HIV infected individuals appeared to be decreased due to the heart treatment. And health education and comprehensive examination should be conducted in HIV infected individuals to reduce the ocular morbidity. These are my references. Thank you.